चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Alright viewers, that was Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav addressing the media after holding a party meeting after securing 37 seats in the Lok Sabha Assembly, becoming the third largest party. Akhilesh has taken on the India Alliance, he's taken on the Congress, he said, and I beg your pardon, taken on the BJP after losing the Faizabad seat, and in fact has called for the scrapping of the Agniveer scheme. Meanwhile, viewers, we move on and bring you another big breaking news. This is from Delhi, where the Supreme Court has directed the release of water from Himachal Pradesh through Haryana in river Yamuna. For Delhi, the Supreme Court has directed the release of 137 cusecs of water. Water will be released from Himachal Pradesh by tomorrow. The status report shall be submitted in Apex Court on Monday. Water will be supplied by Himachal Pradesh and Haryana governments will facilitate the water supply through the Hathni Kund barrage to Wazirabad in Delhi. The Supreme Court has recorded acute water shortage in Delhi. The Supreme Court has also suggested the Delhi government that it shall not waste water during this crucial supply. The Delhi government has approached the Supreme Court. Remember, viewers, it had approached the court seeking more water in the Yamuna River from the upstream Haryana and Himachal Pradesh, as the Union Territory is reeling under water shortage. Now, joining us live on the story is my colleague Gopi from the National Capital. Gopi, a very good afternoon to you. A crucial order from the Supreme Court demanding the release of water from Himachal Pradesh to Yamuna in Delhi. This is likely to help the residents of Delhi already facing water shortage in this hot summer season. What more are the observations made by the top court?
Well, indeed, there is a huge scarcity of water in the capital city of Delhi, where it has been found that the northeast and south Delhi specifically has been facing acute water shortage. And this judgment comes in lieu of Atishi writing letters to the Chief Minister of both the states. While in the last hearing, Supreme Court had said that it had asked the Upper Yamuna River Board to tell and to give a compiled report so as to be what can be done to release water from Himachal Pradesh via the Wazirabad barrage to Delhi. So yes, today the decision of court has come, and it is a welcoming decision by the Supreme Court that Delhi wouldn't be facing as much of water shortage as it was facing. So in a big relief to the Delhi water crisis, yes, tomorrow is the day when 137 lakh cusack of water would be shared by the Himachal Pradesh through the Wazira barrage to Delhi. Back to you.
All right, thanks for giving us those details, Gopi. We will continue to track the supply of water and its movement from Himachal Pradesh via Haryana to Delhi. This should bring relief to residents of Delhi suffering from acute water crisis in the summer season, even as mercury soars to nearly 50 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, viewers, let's move on to other election-related news that's coming in from the national capital.